So, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a marketplace for digital services. Freelancers on Fiverr offer a wide variety of services called gigs. Fiverr can help you get from where you are to where you want to be. If you've got the vision, we've got the talent to turn it into something amazing. You can find website design, content writing, SEO services, and much, much more. And the best part about it is, you can order in just one click. Once you arrive at Fiverr.com, you can browse the categories on the home page. You're also welcome to use the search. So let's say you're looking for a product photography for your business. The search will display a list of gigs related to your search terms. To help you narrow down your search, you can use the filters to the left or, on certain subcategories, our Interact Wizard to help you find exactly what you need. Once you've found a service you like, click the gig to go to the seller's gig page. If the seller has a video, we recommend viewing it to get an idea of what the seller offers. Also, take the time to look through the seller's work samples and portfolio, if they have one, so you know what quality of work to expect. Take a quick look at the different packages the seller offers and decide what package best fits your needs. You will see which items are included in each package to help you make your decision. If you don't see exactly what you need, but like the seller, go ahead and message the seller to receive a custom offer. Scroll to read a full description of what the seller offers before you order, as well as frequently asked questions. You can also read customer reviews further down the page and filter by positive or negative. If you have specific requirements or general questions, we recommend contacting the seller beforehand. When you find a package you want to order, click Continue. Within the order page, you will be able to select any customized extras offered by the seller. When you're done with your selections, review the order and then click Order Now. Don't forget to fill out the order requirements after paying, otherwise the seller can't start work. It's that easy. Happy buying!